How to fix notification badges not showing in Samsung mobile phones. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option notifications. Now click on it and then click on advanced settings. Now here you can see the option app icon badges. Now click on it. Make sure you turn on this button. If you turn it off, then turn it on. Now here you can select your notification numbers or dot. If you select dot, then you can see the dot on app icons notification. Now select a number and after that your problem will be fixed. If it doesn't fix your problem, make sure you turn off the do not disturb. If you turn on your do not disturb, then turn it off. After turn off your do not disturb, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.